everybody, this is Roxana with Garden of Herbs, and I am going to see if I can just get a real quick, this is the budget-friendly meals, and I'm going to see if I can get a quick picture of, and I'm going to turn my camera around to see. Okay, let's see if we can get, yes, this is some pasta. And I'm going to show you the pasta. This is the Budget Friendly Meals series. This is some protein. This is just going to be, let me turn my fire off. Okay. This is some pasta that I got. And the reason this is going to be like spaghetti, but just upgraded a little bit. This right here is something that you can buy. I bought two different kinds. You see the protein amount on here. This is really good pasta. It's better for you than just regular pasta. This is it cooked. I'm going to put it in here with my 1 pound of hamburger meat. And the most expensive thing on here is your hamburger meat. Then you can open it up, pour in. Now, everybody's different, how they make their spaghetti. And I'm doing this one-handed. But that right there, all that together is, of course, less than $10. The most expensive thing there, I think, is your 1 pound of hamburger meat. And I used grass-fed hamburger meat, so that's why it's so expensive. You can make a tossed salad, but I wanted to do something cruciferous vegetable, and for me and my husband this is going to be 4 meals, and that's about it. This is a budget-friendly meal. This is probably over probably I would say about $12 to $13, but for 4 meals in today's day, this is really good. We'll eat this tonight and then turn around and I'll have some to send for tomorrow on his lunch. Again, this you can put butter or you can put olive oil over your vegetable. And my husband came in and saved the day doing this so that I could be in the picture. But this is just a quick video. Again, you can get these. This is a plant-based, and it's red lentil flour instead of just white flour, and it's much more protein. You can get these at your, I don't ever remember seeing these at the big box stores. I usually have to go to Natural Grocers or some store like that, but they're much better for you. They have more protein, and they're not very expensive, but they go a long way. And that's all for now. This is going to go in my series of budget-friendly meals. And for now, signing out, this is Roxana with Garden of Herbs. Blessings. Bye-bye.